Hello, hello! Hey, hey! I'm going to read you a book today. Toot toot beep beep. Toot toot beep beep by Garcia. Look at all this traffic. We've got a red Jeep, a green bus, a yellow taxi, a limousine. Ooh, this one doesn't even have a top on it. It's called a convertible. Wow! Look at all this traffic. The cars go up, the cars go down, they go in and they go out and round all day long. Up, down, in, out, all day long. Beep, beep, goes the little red Jeep. Beep, beep. And off he zoom. Beep, beep. Vroom, vroom, goes the sleek black sports car. Vroom, vroom, and off he speeds. Vroom, vroom. He's fast. That's that convertible, huh? No top on it. Convertible. Vroom, vroom. Toot, toot, goes the big blue van. Toot, toot. And off she trundles. Honk, honk, goes the yellow city taxi. Honk, honk, and off he rushes. Honk, honk. Whoosh, whoosh, goes the long pink limousine. Whoosh, whoosh, and off she glides. Whoosh, whoosh. Look how long it is. Look at all those windows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoosh. Chugga, chugga, goes the old green camper van. Chugga, chugga, and off she rolls. Chugga, chugga. Vroom, vroom, goes the tiny purple car. Vroom, vroom, and off she hurtles. Vroom, 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 vroom. Beep, beep. Vroom, vroom. Toot, toot. Honk, honk. Whoosh, whoosh. Chugga, chugga. Vroom, vroom. What a lot of noises. Which one is your favorite? Red, black, blue, yellow, pink, green, purple. You like that one? All right. But wait. Shh. It's all quiet now. Where have all the cars gone? Shh, it's so quiet. Where are they? Can you find the cars? I don't see any. Where did they go? Here they are! In the parking lot. Night-night cars. They're parked and going night-night. The end. Toot toot, beep beep. Toot toot, beep beep. Honk honk. Wooga wooga. Love you.